Hi everyone. So I am going to talk about this chest of drawers which I got from Pepperfry. Basically, I was not planning on buying furniture, but then I got hold of some good money, so I thought I would invest in this because I was needing a new cupboard, but cupboards are too huge, so I really wanted a chest of drawers. So this is what I selected from Pepperfry, and you can see all the instructions and everything here, and how much it retails for right now. And I booked it, and I got it delivered in like a week or two, probably 10 to 15 days. And the first day, actually, someone came and delivered it to our house, and they opened all the packages and they took pictures and they checked basically everything was right and ready and not damaged, and they left. So second day, someone the carpenter basically contacted us and they confirmed that they'll be coming, so they will call and confirm you when they are coming. And mostly it's done within 24 hours of the delivery. So this is the carpenter who came to our house, and he checked whatever was delivered like the previous day, and he started assembling it. So here is the process, and please enjoy. And if you have any questions, you can leave them down below.